This is
another Aggie present. What is it, Aggie? No, right here. Right here.
Hey, watch out.
Come here. Come here. Come here. No, right here. This.
This one. What is this?
Look in the box. What's in the box?
Aggie. Look at this.
What is that?
The walrus.
Is that Walter? The walrus. Oh. That's a new toy for Aggie.
You got a new one. Arr, arr, arr.
Look at that toy.
Arr, Get him.
You got Walter. Oh. Aggie, do you like your new toy? I think she likes it, babe.